before our current president, Mohamed Tinubu. You understand? So, the ex-Senate President Lawan talks on Tinubu's 2022, 2023, 2024 budget. He also said things concerning security, that we have insecurity in Nigeria, that the government should look into the matter of security and the lack of power. He said a lot of things that you would love to listen. So let me put down the video for you to watch.
Mr. President, I dare say that the success of any government administration in a democracy will depend significantly on how the legislature supports the administration. And I believe that we have seen different examples of what could happen